Hi everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I did just get my hair trimmed and she curled it for me. I'm actually getting my hair colored balayage blonde on Friday. Super excited about that. But anyway, I know it's been a really long time. I filmed, haven't uploaded. It's crazy. I'm going to grad school soon. So with the end of work and everything, it's just been really crazy. But today I'm back. Hopefully you'll see this soon. Hopefully I can pre-film some videos so when I get to school I'll be able to post some things. But I'm here just with another declutter video for my highlighters. I definitely need to declutter my highlighters. They've been getting out of control and then I just keep buying more of them even though they're out of control. So definitely got to clear some room. I know how I have probably ones that are similar and one's just that the formula I don't like, so this is definitely much needed. So anyway, without further ado, I will get into it. Hey everyone, it's Becca. So I have now set up, you can see I'm just in pajamas here, but I've set up to first just look at the drawer, take everything out. Yeah, I guess I'll take everything out and put it on my bed right here to this side, and then I guess I can put everything back in. I recently got this IKEA drawer, which I do like, but I don't like that it doesn't pull out all the way because a lot ends up getting, probably like a good third of the drawer ends up just getting lost. So anyway, I recently did just get this. It's the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion in, there's some better lighting, I turned on my makeup mirror, in, what's the color, 902 Light Glow. I did use this today for the first time. I don't end up using liquid highlighters a lot, and I actually have a lot more that I prefer. This one was a gift, so I feel bad giving it away already, but I'm just like, not going to use it. I have so many highlighters, I need to just part with things, so I'm getting rid of that, but it is full, and it was such a sweet gift from my former boss. I have the Makeup Geek highlighters here, and I do love this formula, but I'm just wondering if some of the shades I can part with. So I have Glitz here, which I'm going to put this to the side and swatch it next to some other ones. We have Midnight Sun, which I do really like, so I will keep Midnight Sun. Luster, I do like Luster, yeah, I'll keep that one. Where are the other ones? Then I have Lit, let's see here. That's actually pretty, that's a duochrome. Should use that one more often. And I kept the packaging because I really like the packaging. And then this one is Psychedelic. So, Psychedelic, that one is pretty too. So I'll keep that one. I'm going to get rid of the box finally because I can part with that. Okay, then my Tarte Spellbound Glow. I really like this. I'm going to keep that. I love my Champagne Pop. I recently got this Soft and Gentle, MAC Soft and Gentle. I like that. This MAC Lightscapade, I don't love that one as much as the other, but I will keep that. Today I did use this Luna highlighter and I do really like it. It is a little dark, but I'm going to keep that to the side just to swatch that. Exposed, I do like, and then I also have Stunner, but they both have a little glitter to them, so they're not my favorite formula. I'm going to hold these to the side and swatch those. I recently just used this Revolution Flash, and when you just swatch on your hand, it looks chalky, but I actually really liked it. I layered it. So I'm actually going to keep that. And it has a duochrome, but it's actually pretty wearable. And then this is Sin by Urban Decay. I'm going to keep that one. This is a bronzer, I believe. My bronzers are mixed in here. Lorac Starlight. This is not my favorite formula, and it's not as intense as I would like, so I'm going to put that to the side and swatch it. We have the Hourglass Incandescent Strobe Light. I don't know about this one. I might have to just use this and then see how I like it. My Jouer in Rose Gold Skinny Dip I'm going to keep. Even though it is quite dark. And then Rose Gold, I'll keep that one as well. And then I have Citrine, which I love. I need to pull that out. And then Rose Quartz, which I really like. And then I am going to keep my Precious Petals. That might be similar to some other ones here. Let me swatch that next to that Luna highlighter. No, those are actually very different, so I will keep that. That one I have to be careful with too. Wet n Wild Gold Bar. I don't actually even think I've used this, to be honest. I'm going to put this to the side and swatch it next to my Gilded Honey. Maybe if I find my Gilded Honey right now, which is, here it is. So let me swatch that. Okay, they are actually a little different. If you can see, I don't know if that's focused. There's Gilded Honey and over there is that Gold Bar, but they're similar enough where, and I don't wear gold highlighters a lot, so I'm just gonna part ways with the Wet n Wild one. This is a little duo highlighter and bronzer. I hate when these are combined, but it works, I guess, in this drawer. I really actually do love this highlighter. Kind of surprising there. I don't love the bronzer as much or the contour, but I love that highlighter, so I'll keep that. Good for travel too. These are all bronzers over here. Bronzer. Okay, Essence Pure Nude, not going anywhere. Love that. Ofra, You Glow Girl. This one I have to be careful with as well, but I will keep that. My Lorac Moonlight. I think I'll keep this one because it's a little more unique. Yeah, it's a little more unique than the other one, so I will keep that. Laura Geller Champagne Pink. I think I'll keep this. I really do like this formula, so yeah, that's really pretty if you can see that there. Hopefully I'm in focus. Okay, the Fenty Hustla Baby. I think I will keep this. Yeah, I'll keep this. I don't actually think I've used it that much, which is exactly why I'm doing this video. I have a lot of palettes as well, so I need to go through that. I'm keeping this Elizabeth Arden. I don't use that much, but it's the Rose Illuminator. Okay, this Hard Candy in Tiki. Gosh, I cannot remember the last time I used this, but it's actually a really pretty pale gold. It's not that intense. So what I'm going to do is there's some here that I do need to try. So there's some that I do need to try, so I'm just going to set that aside to remind myself to use it, and if I end up using it and not liking it, then I will part ways with it. This is Glow Subtle by Lancome. It's like this cream highlighter. It's actually really pretty. I need to use that as well. Okay. This NYX. Okay, that NYX is pretty, but I just don't use cool tones that often, so I don't know about that one. That's gonna go in the maybe. Milk in Lit. That's pretty as well. So I'm gonna put that in the maybe, swatch it next to some other ones. Okay, now this Milk Techno Glitter Stick. I just honestly don't know when I'd ever use that. Maybe for like going out, but I'm gonna part ways with that because I just am not gonna use it enough for it to make sense. I have this City Colors highlighting trio that I got in an Ipsy, I believe. These actually feel really nice and buttery. But I'm gonna part ways with it. They're just pretty like universal like colors that I have elsewhere. I'm just gonna part ways with that. My Mary Luminizer, I love this. Haven't used that in a while, but I'm keeping that. And see, look at all these that have been lost. Pixie by Petra, Pixie by Petra. I do love my Lorac, excuse me, in Spotlight. Is that different than? Yeah, so Starlight and Moonlight. I do actually love this one. That one's really pretty. And I think it might be a different formula. This is French Vanilla by Laura Geller. I need to use this one more, so that's gonna be in my use it. These Pixie by Petra, I honestly just don't use these. I mean, they're super soft, but again, pretty like just shades that I already have. So I'm gonna part with those. I zoomed out a little bit, so hopefully I won't be as out of frame because I know I have been. So yeah, I'm parting with that. And then this one I might keep because I like this blush shade. Gosh, I'm running out of fingers. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one for now. Let's see if I use it at all. Okay, so that's that one bin done and everything that was loose. And now I have all my liquid ones. So I love this Tri-Stick one. I'm keeping all of my Becca. This is in Champagne Pop. Okay, keeping all of those. I want to keep this Chubby Stick. I actually really like that. Okay, now let's see. This is Milk in Mars. It's actually this really pretty like duochrome kind of pink, gold pink, which actually matches one of those Makeup Geek powder ones. So I'll keep that. More of my Becca. Except this is in Moonstone. I wonder if I have Moonstone. Okay, so I have two opals, so I'm going to get rid of one opal, and I guess I don't have a Moonstone, so I will keep that. Okay, what else? What else? I'm going to keep all my Cover FX drops because they're all fairly new, except maybe this rose gold one. I'll have to see. And the halo. Let me check the rose gold and halo. Because they're just not colors that are super flattering on my skin tone. Yeah, that rose gold one is actually way too dark. So I will part ways with that. The halo is just like a strong purple. Let me compare it to this. And then I already had another cream purple, right? Yeah, I think I like... This is a little more pinky of a tone. So I'm just not going to use the halo one. So I'm going to part ways with that. Look at me, guys. I'm very proud of myself. Okay. This is Champagne Gold. I don't think they have that color. It was just a limited edition. Okay, now this Essence So Glow. That is pretty, but I want to see if I have anything similar. Do my ColourPop Monster. The ColourPop Monster is a very intense purple duochrome. I'll keep that. Okay, this NYX Born to Go Liquid Illuminator in Gleam. I think this might be too dark as well. Yeah, that is way too dark. I'll part ways with that. Okay, down to the last few things here. Makeup Revolution Strobe Balm in Rose Gold. That's actually really pretty. It's dark, but it's really pretty. And then Josie Moran one, but I've had this for so long. Yeah, I think this is probably just bad. So I'm just gonna toss this one. Okay, my High Beam from Benefit. I've had this for a while as well. It's pretty... I don't know. I guess I'll keep this one for now. I might be getting rid of that soon. Then my MAC Strobe Cream. That's actually really pretty even to like mix in, so I'll keep that. And it's little, it doesn't take up that much room. This Temp 2. I'm just going to get rid of this. My Naked Skin in Sin. I have the matching powder. And that is really pretty. I should use that. It's so small that it just gets lost. That's really pretty. Okay, my Laura Geller in Ethereal. It's like a pretty intense pink. This might be good for like all over the cheek. I'll hold on to that one for now, but I think it's going to go on my blush. There, one in my blush drawer. Okay, I have the Tarte Fantasy in, I don't know, it's a cheeks, oh, it's a cheek stain, but it's super shimmery, except this is pretty oily. And it's pretty dark, so I'm gonna just toss that. My Benefit Watts Up. That's pretty. There it is right there. It's pretty, but it is a little dark. I'll keep that for now because it's a pretty small size. And then my Tarteist Pro Glow. That's gorgeous. I don't know how I haven't used that. That's really, really pretty. Okay, I am actually pretty proud of myself. I mean, I could have been a little more cutthroat, but at least for my single highlighters, I think I did a decent job. I'll probably do a separate video. I thought I was going to do it all in one, but this has already been long enough. So let me just put everything back. Oh, I guess I had to swatch some as well. I'm going to keep this Milk Lit one. Keep the Essence So Glow, because I don't have that many creams. The next one I'll keep for now because that is fairly new. This got hidden in the back of the drawer. Laura Mercier Highlight number 1. I have to use this again as well. Glitz, I guess I will keep. I also just realized I do have more highlighters than just these ones. They didn't fit, so I do have some in another bin, but I will go through that later. I actually do really like this Luna one, so I will keep that. My 2 Tarte ones, I do like it just is that they are a little glittery, but I can find a way to work with that. And then this Lorac one. This Lorac one I'm just going to pass on, so Starlight. So I have 5 in my, I need to try. And then I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then trashing 3.